Welcome back to Auto Vibes, the place where car lovers meet the latest and most exciting vehicles on the road. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Mazda CX-5, a compact SUV that continues to raise the bar with refined design, sharp driving dynamics, and a premium feel that punches above its price tag. If you're in the market for a stylish, fun-to-drive crossover that's packed with features, then stay tuned because the 2025 Mazda CX-5 is one SUV you don't want to overlook. The Mazda CX-5 has long been known for blending elegant styling, upscale interiors, and surprisingly sporty handling into a well-rounded package. For 2025, Mazda builds on that reputation with a refreshed model that continues to embody the brand's Kodo design language, a design philosophy that focuses on motion, simplicity, and beauty. The CX-5 doesn't just look good for its class, it looks good, period. With flowing body lines, a bold front grille, and slim adaptive LED headlights, the 2025 CX-5 has a mature, dynamic presence on the road. At the rear, updated taillights and a reshaped bumper add to its athletic stance, while new wheel designs enhance its premium character. Step inside the 2025 CX-5 and you'll immediately notice a cabin that feels more like a luxury vehicle than a mainstream SUV. Mazda continues to focus on minimalism, but every touchpoint, from the leather-wrapped steering wheel to the available Nappa leather seats, screams quality. The dashboard is clean and driver-focused, featuring a new 12.3-inch infotainment screen that sits above the center console. It runs the latest Mazda Connect system with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. A new digital gauge cluster, optional head-up display, and upgraded Bose audio system ensure the cabin isn't just comfortable, it's tech-forward and immersive. Under the hood, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 comes with two engine options. The base model features a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine that produces 187 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque, perfect for daily driving with excellent fuel efficiency. But for those who want a little more punch, Mazda offers the turbocharged 2.5-liter engine that cranks out up to 256 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque when using premium fuel. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, and every 2025 CX-5 comes standard with i-Active all-wheel drive. The result is a smooth, balanced, and confident driving experience, especially on twisty roads where Mazda's handling superiority really shines. While competitors may focus more on raw power or off-road ability, the CX-5 focuses on delivering a refined, enjoyable ride every time you take the wheel. In terms of features, the 2025 CX-5 doesn't disappoint. Standard safety equipment includes Mazda's i-Activsense suite, which brings adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and rear cross-traffic alert. Higher trims offer additional features like a 360-degree view monitor, traffic jam assist, and front and rear parking sensors. There's also a generous cargo area and split folding rear seats for those who need the practicality to go along with their style. Pricing for the 2025 Mazda CX-5 starts around $29,000 and goes up to approximately $40,000 for the fully loaded turbo models. That positions it competitively in the compact SUV segment, especially considering the level of luxury and driving enjoyment it delivers. Whether you're commuting to work, picking up the kids, or heading out on a weekend road trip, the CX-5 is built to enhance every journey. What makes the 2025 Mazda CX-5 a true standout is its ability to blend beauty, quality, and fun into an affordable and efficient package. It's not just another crossover, it's a statement that you don't have to settle for boring when you choose practical. With a design that turns heads, a cabin that feels upscale, and driving dynamics that excite, the 2025 CX-5 remains one of the best choices in its class. Thanks for watching Auto Vibes. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the 2025 Mazda CX-5, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next car review. Until next time, keep driving with passion.